How you doing? Joe Luque over at Phillips Chevy. We're hanging out in a 19 Malibu Premier, going through a lot of stuff, but really I wanted to show you how easy it is to pair your phone with the Bluetooth. But just bought your car, want to pair it with the Bluetooth. So just want to go into your settings on your phone, which I'm already at. Go to your Bluetooth right here. And then you'll see right up here, you just hit the phone icon. You just want to connect your phone. And then you add your phone. So now that's going to go. Eventually you're going to see it at the bottom here. And you just click on that. Waiting for it to pair. Make sure the numbers match up, which they do. Pair. And then it's going to ask you if you want to allow contacts and favorites. You definitely want to allow that. Alright. And I am connected. And within a few moments, all of my, what did I just do? All of my contacts will be added on there once you do that. All right. And then you're all set to go. I just hit something to disconnect it, but it's that easy. 2019 Malibu. Should come out to Phillips Chevrolet and check these out. They're really nice cars.